Hey guys, welcome back to Crafting AVN. Today, I'll provide instructions on how to replace your microphone holder for the Moukey MTs10-2 Karaoke machine. So let's get right to it. First, identify which side the broken part is located. Using a screwdriver, remove the single screw holding the broken mic holder in place. Once removed, place the screw to the side for now. Lift up and pull out the bracket and mic holder. Now, carefully slide out the broken mic holder from the bracket. Increase force as needed if it does not come out easily. And do note, you can find instructions on where to purchase a replacement mic holder in the descriptions below. Slide in the replacement mic holder. This should work either direction, but use whichever way works better for you. Increase force as needed. Insert the bracket with the new mic holder back into the Moukey machine. Insert the screw and tighten. That is it. You are all done. You should now be able to fold the mic holder inward when the mic is in use, or outward to hold the mic when not in use. If you have any questions, feel free to post them. Thank you for watching this installation video. Check out our other videos in case you may be interested in our products. Bye.